I hate cardio. I've tried everything, downloading podcasts, watching TV shows, anything to pass the time on the treadmill or elliptical, and I'm bored out of my mind. What are good forms of exercise to get my heart rate up that doesn't involve 30 minutes on a piece of cardio equipment?
Women more than anything need to do more weightlifting and less cardio. So forget the whole cardio thing. It's not necessary, especially if you're trying to just trudge along for 45 minutes at a steady pace. If you are going to be doing cardio, do a shorter amount of cardio. So let's say you do 20 minutes, but you do 10 high intensity intervals. So you do, instead of 45, 50, whatever you're trying to do, take 20 minutes, run fast for 1 minute, walk for a minute, run fast for a minute, walk for a minute. You'll get the same energy expenditure and possibly more fat burning, could be, depending on how hard you work, than just doing 45 minutes.